Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is the first episode of our running series where we talk about running in a simple language. No complex science, just easy tips to make you a better runner. So let's start with a topic that no one really think much about, but it's super important for a runner. That is mitochondria. Don't worry, I will not go deep into the science. What is mitochondria? Mitochondria are a small factory inside your body cell. They take the food you eat and the oxygen you breathe and convert it into a usable energy for your body. That's why they are called the powerhouse of the cell. And where is it? Mitochondria are present in every cell of your body, but they are most abundant in muscle cell because muscle need more energy, especially during running. How does it work? When you eat food, it gets broken down into carbohydrate, fat and protein. Mitochondria use oxygen to convert these nutrients into ATP, the actual energy that power your muscles during a run. And how can we improve this? You can increase the number and efficiency of your mitochondria through specific type of training. Weekly long run, at least 90 minutes, help build new mitochondria. Interval workout and tempo run improve how efficiently they produce energy. And easy recovery run allow them to adapt and grow stronger. And what is the benefit? Strong mitochondria mean better endurance, faster recovery, and your body become more efficient at burning fat for energy. This is the key to becoming a powerful long distance runner. Let's take an example. Imagine two friends Ramesh and Suresh. Ramesh exercise daily, walking, running, lifting weight, and Suresh, he just sit on the couch watching TV all the day. What is the difference? Ramesh's mitochondria are awake and active, turning oxygen and food into energy. That's why he stay fit, energetic, and burn fat faster. But Suresh, mitochondria sleep, inactive, his body store food as a fat because the energy factory inside him are not working. Remember, mitochondria are like the engine of your body. If they are active, you will stay fit. If they are lazy, you are store fat. And finally, the conclusion is that coaches give you plan, but here you will learn the real science behind performance. Follow for more. If you want to learn more simple tips like this, hit the subscribe button, give a like and share this video with your running buddies. Let's grow together as a better runner. Thank you.